Hello everyone, this is Umar from Talent Era. Today we are going to talk about variations on Amazon. This video is for freelancers who are starting their career and they want to bring in a specific expertise regarding to Amazon. So variating a product on Amazon is being a very difficult job, and I've seen that many people are facing serious issues. Like the individual sellers are unable to variate their product under original families. So there are three different ways of variating a product. So I'm going to show you that how you can create variations on Amazon. There are three steps. First, you can create new listings with variations. Second, you can combine existing listings into variations. Third, you have an existing variation family but some of the listings are created like new products and you want to bring them under specific families. So today I'm going to show this, that how you can bring a single listing like a new listing which you have posted right now and you want to bring it under a specific family which is already in your Amazon catalog. So let's start. So we are working with the Tico products, and let me check what we are going to vary today. Okay, so we have an ASIN T6204E72 and we want to bring this under the original variation family. See how it goes. Okay, so we are searching the ASIN. Where is it? And we'll check that what is the variation family of this ASIN. Okay, so this is Tico mini block spinning take up. I need to check that where it is variated already. I'll go down C6002 6203 E71. Is it 6203? What is the ASIN? It is E72. Okay, let me check what is the variation family. These are existing variation families that we have already created the variations, but we want to bring this listing under the relevant variation family. So I need to check the ASIN. Where is it? And going ahead. Okay, this one, no, this one is something else. Pixie, and Pixie. Let's check this one. This is a Tico ASIN, so we can check the Tico ones. Where is the T? Okay, so here we found. So this is Tico T62. This is the original variation family of this ASIN, and we want to bring this ASIN under this family. So what we are going to do, first we need to check the category, that what is the category. The category is building toys. Now we need to pull out the category template using which we can create this variation. So we have toys and games and building toys. Toys, game and building toys. I need to pull out the template, and here I go with toys and games. Yes, this is toys and games, and then we have the next category is building toys. You can see here toys and games, then the next category building toys, and so on. Whatever category comes, you will find it and you will download the correct template. Building toys, and then there is no other category after building toys, but we are seeing here a lot of other categories. So if there is no category listed under building toys, then you will use other building toys category. This is the original category of your product. So I'll go for the type of template. You can see, do not use the light template, use an advanced mod template for doing this. Generate template. Here we go, we can download it, and then we need to open this template, and this template is in front of us now. We will go to the template tab, we need to add information over here. First, in the first line you will add the parent ASIN information, the variation. Okay, so after adding the parent information, we are going to add all child ASINs under this parent ASIN. So we need to bring in a single ASIN under this variation family. So what we will do is we will go into the seller central, and we will pull out the information of that ASIN, which what was the ASIN, let me find out. Yeah, so we were going to do this ASIN. It's 6204AL. Let me find out the information, just a second. And this is the ASIN. The SKU is bit different, because the reason is that I have not added the SKU under the offer, in offer under seller SKU column. So that is why Amazon allotted a random SKU. But if you want your own seller SKU, then what will you do? You will edit the product, you will go to the offer tab, and you will add your own SKU under this, in this column, like the seller SKU. As we have 6204AL in this, and I have forgotten to add this. That is Amazon allotted a random SKU here. So now going ahead, we need to pull out the information of that family. I'm making it a bit easier. Like if you have an existing variation family, then you can pull out the information by using variation visit, which is very quick, and you can save time of adding individual data into the template. So I'm taking this ASIN of the parent family and going into the variation visit, and then I will go to the top and see, you can say add to or update an existing variation family. I will add the ASIN and click search. It will show me the variation family. Okay, so this is the variation family which we got here, and you can see that the ASINs which we are going to add are already mentioned in this family: 6203AL and 6201AL, and what else we have, just a second. Okay, yeah, 6204AL and 6201AL and 6203AL. Okay, so these two ASINs are dead right now, so we are just going to bring this 6204AL under this family. So how can we do this? We will click add a variation, and we will write our SKU here, 6204-AL, 6204-AL, and then I will add the title over here, and the title for this ASIN is the title. Okay, so for 6204AL, our title is this one: Tico mini blocks spinning teacup. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to variation visit. I'll add this, and then we have the UPC code here, and I will add the UPC code, and this UPC code, where is the yes, so UPC code is over here. So this is our UPC code. We will add this in the UPC code column, and then we need the style, and we'll check what is the style over here, and the style is, where is the style? It's a mini block spinning teacup, so I guess the style would be spinning block teacup. Okay, write it as mini block spinning teacup. Let's see. Yeah, it's spinning teacup because we have the style here. So I'll add spinning teacup and remove the spaces, and then the condition. This is very important. If you are doing a flat file, then if you miss this information, then your template will be rejected by Amazon, and it can create drafts for your listings, and it can also destroy your existing list. Please don't forget to add condition type. I'll show you in the template where is this condition type. It is new, and then the quantity is 0, and then the price of this product is 19.99. Then I click save, then I click generate template. Okay, so now you have seen that when I click generate template, the template is not downloaded. The reason is because we have not selected any template. Now we need a building toy template so that we can successfully update this variation, but we don't have a building toy template over here, so we can select any of the templates, then click template, any of the template category, and we have this template. We downloaded this template just for the information, and we will take information from this template and fill it in our original template. Let me show you how. So this is the template which we downloaded using variation wizard. Now we go to template. See, you can see here that all of the information which is necessary is now mentioned in this template. So what we are going to do, we will not take this item type because this is wrong. The category was not appearing in that the template box. So we just take the information, item SKU and the brand name, and we will put it in our template which we have downloaded right now. So we'll take item SKU, we place item SKU and brand name, and then we need to fill in the feed product type in our original template. Now we need item type and item name. What is the item type? You can select it over here, and then you will go ahead and fill in the remaining columns. Now we need the item name. We can take it from the downloaded sheet. This is the item name. Copy this and place it in our original template. Here we go. And then we need external product ID. It means the UPC codes. So take those UPC codes from this template, and here we go. Then we need manufacturer. Similarly, copy the information. We took the information and we bring it over here, and then we need part number. We don't need part number. We need external product ID type. Yeah, this is very necessary, so we will take it from here as well. So this is the product ID type. We placed it over here, and then now we are going to add the standard price and quantity is not necessary, but if you will add it then it's good, but if you don't then it does not matter a lot. We just put it for just in case to save any errors, and place the quantity and everything. And now we are going to do okay. So this is very important part. We need to add this very carefully. If you have missed any single part of any single column of this part, then this can destroy your listing. So I'll copy it from here because I have already available information, and I have placed it over here. Okay, see, now for the variation theme, you can select any of the mentioned variation themes over here. We are working on style, so I selected style. So you need to select it in front of every parent and child variation. So this is the main listing is our parent listing, so we selected the relationship as parent. The below are child lessons, so we selected them as child lessons. Now we need to add the parent SKU in front of each child SKU. Don't write it in front of the parent. Where there is written in the parent child relationship as parent, do not write a parent SKU in front of this field. You need to add a parent SKU in front of child SKUs. Remember this will create an error. Now the relationship type field should be blank for the parent ASIN, and for all child ASINs the relationship field should be variation. It could be accessory and it could be variation, but we are doing variations over here, so we will mention it as variation. Then this is a partial update. Don't forget to add this. You need to select update, partial, or delete. If you want to delete some listings, you need to select delete, and if you want to update some information of the listing, then you need to select partial update over here. So this is selected as update, but we need to change it in partial update. Now we are going to check that we have no duplicate ASINs over here. So 6204 AL and okay, so all of the ASINs are individual. We have no duplicate ASINs. That's it. Now the most important thing is we are now after adding this variation theme style, we need to add a style name in the style column. So if you forget to do this, then this template will be rejected and it will give you error. So now going towards the style, and where is the style column? Find over the style guide. This is color map, size, collection, genre, specific, style keywords, and where is style? Yeah, this is the style name. So we need to add style names under this column. We will bring out the style names from here. And what are the style names? Style names. Yeah, these are the style names. We need to pull these style names. Okay, and I've placed it over here. So now our template for variation update is ready. Yeah, one more thing which I mentioned over there, that we need to add condition type. If we are not going to add condition type, our product will be rejected, our template will be rejected. So I'm adding condition type in front of all of the ASINs. And how many ASINs we have? It's 10. 10 and 13, so we need to add 3 more. Okay, so here we go in the 13 column. Okay, so now the template is complete. We will click save, and then we will close this template. Now we are going in the Amazon to check whether our template is okay or it has some errors. So I'm going to check and upload you. First I go to add products by upload, then I go to check and upload your inventory. Don't forget to check your file. Do not straight away upload your files, because it will create a destruction to your store. So you need to select inventory files for non-media category for all of the templates which you are going to upload on Amazon. So I'm going to choose file and check whether my template is compatible or not. Check my file. Let's see what it says. Okay, so now monitor upload status. It will show you like within 1 minute maybe that whether a template is correct or not. Refresh the page. Refresh. Come on. Sometimes it takes around 4 to 5 minutes, otherwise it takes less than 1 minute for the template. Yes, okay, so it says record process successfully 10. So you have made an error-free template. Now we are ready to upload this template so that we can bring in the required changes. So I'll skip this box. I'll go to step 2, upload file, and similarly inventory file for non-media category. Then we can choose the template, and here we go, and then we will click upload. Okay, so this process will take around, normally for few variations, 5 minutes. If we have more than 5 variations or more than 10 variations, it can take up to 2 hours. So let's see what result comes up now. We will check this, that whether our variation is successfully moved to the right family or not. I can go to the manage inventory and I can check this Tico T62, copy and refresh. Let's see, the variations are 4 or 3. Okay, search this ASIN and search variations 3. The file is still uploading. The file is in the upload status. Let's go again until it gets uploaded. And we have we need 6204AL. Let's search again. So here we go. You can see that we have 9 variations over here. We have moved all those asins under this variation family successfully. This is our 6204AL, there is 6203AL, 6201AL. So all of the asins, this is our random asin, so all of them are moved under the correct variation family. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more video updates, and I'll keep posting new videos. As I'll keep working on Amazon, I'll create new videos and show you how you can work with Amazon in different fields. Bye bye, have a nice day.